Hello and welcome to Electrofox. Today I'm going to show you a 1970s JCPenney microwave. So here's the front. There's the cook knob. There's some of the information on how much things weigh and how long you have to cook it for. There's the dial, the timer. Here's some of the literature. Says it's from 1976. Here's the operating manual instructions. The inside looks pretty clean. Here's some information along the front. Here's the side of the unit. Here's the back of the unit. And here's some of the information on the back. And some of the manufacturing information and model number. And where it's made. Thank you for watching this look at a 1970s JCPenney microwave. If you like this video, don't forget to check out and subscribe to my channel. You have a wonderful day.